In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy banner image in Canva. Whether you're setting up your shop for the first time or sprucing it up for existing customers, creating an engaging and eye-catching banner is key to making a great first impression. Let's dive into this simple process. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. This is a fantastic free tool that offers a wide range of templates and graphic design elements. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the search bar. It's usually located at the top of the page. This is where the magic begins. Go ahead and type in Etsy banner template in the search field. By doing this, you'll access pre-designed templates specifically crafted for Etsy banners, saving you time while ensuring a professional quality. Having searched for these templates, you'll be presented with a multitude of designs to choose from. Spend a moment scrolling through these options. It's essential to select a design that not only catches your eye, but also aligns with the aesthetic and values of your Etsy shop. Once you find one that suits your vision, click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see an option that says, Customize this template. Clicking this will take you directly into Canva's editor interface, where all the fun happens. Here you have total control to change colors, fonts, images, and even add new elements. Feel free to upload your graphics or logos to personalize your banner further. If you're unsure about any design decisions, remember that consistency with your shop's branding can help it look more cohesive and appealing to your audience. As you're customizing the design, take your time navigating through Canva's editing tools. You might find it helpful to play around with the different text options to find one that highlights your shop name or tagline effectively. Canva offers a wide range of fonts and text effects to ensure that your banner stands out. Lastly, ensure that everything looks perfect and is aligned correctly by previewing your design. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. This step is crucial. Click on the download button, usually located on the upper right side of your screen. Choose your desired file format, typically PNG or JPG for banners, and save it to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully created a captivating Etsy banner using Canva. With your new design ready to go, you can now upload it to your Etsy shop, giving it that fresh and inviting look that'll surely draw in more visitors. I hope this guide was helpful, and I can't wait to see what amazing banners you create. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.